Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut! Hi! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes. It is lovely to see you, and it is jour number... Can you count with me while doing a few punches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Très bien. It is jour number 19. Now you might remember that yesterday we learnt all about the days of the week. We learnt Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, which was lundi, mardi, mercredi and jeudi. And today we're going to learn about Friday, Saturday and Sunday. But if you haven't seen Monday through Thursday, then please check out day 18 and I've put a link to it below in the YouTube description. And don't forget that if you enjoy this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But let's kick off today with our phrase of the day. Now you might remember that yesterday's phrase of the day was aujourd'hui, which means today. After today comes tomorrow. And so our phrase of the day today is tomorrow. Écoutez, demain, demain, demain. Répétez, demain, demain. Très bien. So we have aujourd'hui and we have demain. And now it's time for our ooh la la vocab. Some new flowers. Ooh la la, elles sont magnifiques. Now, having done lundi, mardi, mercredi and jeudi yesterday, we are going to today, aujourd'hui, learn about Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So let's kick off with Friday. Friday night and the lights are low. And you'll see in the picture some people having a little bit of a party because Friday is usually the last day of school. In French, Friday is... Écoutez 6 fois. Listen 6 times. Vendredi. 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 Répétez. Vendredi. 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 Next up we have Saturday. Usually a chance to have a very nice lie-in after all those early morning starts. Écoutez 6 fois. Samedi. 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 Répétez. Samedi. 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 And next up we've got Sunday, like Palm Sunday, a day when millions of people around the world go to church. Écoutez 6 fois. Dimanche. 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 Répétez. Dimanche. 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 So now that we know the days of the week, we can play Which One's Missing? Now I'm going to help you with the first trois, and then I will leave you to it yourselves. And you might see some of the pictures from yesterday. Let's give it a go. First up, we have vendredi, samedi, dimanche, and lundi. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said samedi. Next one. We've got vendredi, samedi, dimanche, and mardi. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said dimanche. Next one. We've got vendredi, samedi, mercredi, and mardi. Which one's missing? Fantastique if you said samedi. Next one. And I'm not helping you. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said mercredi. Next one. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said jeudi. And the last one. Which one's missing? And fantastique if you said vendredi. So now it's time for our sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Now I wonder if you can remember what our phrase of the day was. It was demain, which means tomorrow. So we're going to pretend that tomorrow is a particular day, maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or maybe one of the ones we learnt yesterday. I'm going to ask you, quel est le jour? What is the day? Demain, tomorrow. And I'd like you to respond, demain, c'est vendredi, mardi, samedi, whatever it is, okay? Quel est le jour demain? Demain, c'est the correct answer. Let's pretend that tomorrow is Saturday. Quel est le jour demain? Très bien if you said demain c'est samedi. If tomorrow is Friday, quel est le jour demain? Bravo if you said demain c'est vendredi. Let's say tomorrow is Thursday. Quel est le jour demain? Très bien if you said demain c'est jeudi. Let's pretend tomorrow is Tuesday. Quel est le jour demain? Très bien if you said demain c'est mardi. And let's do one more. Let's say tomorrow is Sunday. Quel est le jour demain? Bravo and fantastique if you said demain c'est dimanche. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Now you might remember that yesterday we learnt that lundi is named after the lune, the moon. Mardi is named after Mars or Mars. Mercredi is named after Mercure or Mercury. And jeudi is named after Jupiter or Jupiter. Well, today we're going to learn what Friday, Saturday and Sunday are named after. Well, did you know that vendredi is named after Venus or Venus? Samedi, Saturday, comes from Saturn or Saturn. And last up, dimanche actually comes from the word soleil, which means the sun, in Latin. So dimanche comes from the Latin word for the sun. And last up, it's time for our song of the day. Now today's song of the day is actually named after our phrase of the day. It is called Demain, which means tomorrow, and it's by Lina Mayem. It's a quite beautiful song, and you'll find a link to it in the YouTube description below. And that's everything for today. Jour number 19. We're nearly at 20. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. Otherwise, please stay tuned for the blooper reel at the end. And for now, à bientôt and au revoir. Bienvenue, welcome. It is... What am I doing? Why am I even recording this? Friday night and the lights are low. With F. Monday through and you'll... Oh my word, my stomach is rumbling. Now, what do we need to do next? I can't remember. Well, did you know that